Hello everyone, welcome to my mathematics class. Today's topic is multiplication and division of larger numbers. First of all, we discuss about multiplication. Now we will discuss about some terms associated with multiplication. First one is multiplicand. The number to be multiplied is called multiplicand. Multiplier, the number by which we multiply is called multiplier. Product, the result we obtain after the multiplication is called product. For example, 15 multiplied by 3 gives 45. 15 is the multiplicand, 3 is the multiplier, and 45 is the product. Now we discuss about properties of multiplication. First is the order property. The product of two numbers does not change when the order of the number is changed. This property is also called closure property of multiplication. For example, 8 into 6, 48. 6 into 8, 48. The order of 6 and 8, if changes, their product remains the same. In two cases, first case 8 into 6, 8 is the multiplicand and 6 is the multiplier and product is 48. In the second case, 6 is the multiplicand and 8 is the multiplier and the product is 48. In both the cases, the product is the same. So 8 into 6 is equal to 6 into 8. Multiplicative property of 1. The product of a number and 1 is the number itself. Any number multiplied with 1 gives the number itself. For example, 20 into 1, 20, 98 into 1, 98, 157 into 1, 157. Multiplicative property of 0. The product of a number and 0 is always 0. For example, 9 into 0 is equal to 0, 57 into 0 is equal to 0, 1056 into 0 is equal to 0. Any number multiplied with 0 gives 0 always. Multiplication of a number by 10, 20, 30 and 90 so on. To multiply a number by 10, 20, 30, 90, multiply the number by 1, 2, 3, 9 respectively and insert 1 0 on the right of the product. For example, 225 into 10. First multiply 225 into 1, that gives 225. There is 1 0 in 10. Now put 1 0 to the right of 225, that is 2250. 4596 into 30. First multiply 4596 into 3, which gives 13,788. There is 1 0 in the unit place of 30, so insert that 0 on the right of the product and then it becomes 1,37,880. Multiplication of a number by 100, 200, 300 and 900. In the similar manner, 462 into 200. First we multiply 462 into 2, that gives 924. Write 924. There are 2 0 in 200. Now insert 2 0 on the right of the product. Insert 2 0 in the right of 924, then it becomes 92,400. Multiplication of a number by 1000, 2000, 3000. Multiply the number by 1, 2, 3 or respectively and then insert 3 zeros on the right of the product. For example, 246 into 3000. First multiply 246 into 3. 246 into 3 gives 738. There are three zeros. In 3000. Now insert 3 zeros on the right of 738. Then it becomes 7,38,000. Now we discuss about multiplication of larger numbers. First multiply 13,578 by 3 into 329. Multiply 13,578 with 329. First, you see the expanded form of 1236 is 1 is in 1000 place, 1 is in 10,000 place, 2 is in 100 place, 3 is in 10 place, and 6 is at 1's place. So first we multiply 4295 with 6, which is in unit place. So product of 4295 and 6 gives 25,770. Now multiply 4295 with 3, which is in tens place. So 4295 into 30. Why 30? Because 3 is in tens place, so its place value is 30. 30 into 4295, that gives 1,28,850. Second, next multiply 4295 with 2, which is in 1236 at hundreds place. So multiply 4295 into 200, because 2 is at hundreds place. So 4,295 into 200, that gives 8,59,000. Now multiply 4,295 with 1, which is at with the place value of the digit 1, which is at thousands place. So 4,295 into 1,000, that gives 42,95,000. Now take the sum of all the products. That gives 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0, 7 plus 5, 12, 2, carry over 1, 8 plus 8, 16, 6, carry over 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 8, 14, 14 plus 5, 19, 19 plus 9, 28, carry over 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 9, 20, 0, carry over 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3, 5, 13, 3, carry over 1, 4 plus 1, 5. So this is the product, 53,08,620. Now look at some word problems. In a factory, there are 519 workers. The salary of each worker is rupees 1,895 per month. What is the total expenditure on the salary of the workers per month? The salary of each worker is rupees 1,895 and there are 519 workers. Find the salary of 509 workers. In the question, it is given the salary of one worker and asked to find out the salary of many workers. One is given and many is to be found out. In this case, we have to follow multiplication. We have to do multiplication. So salary of one worker is 1895 per month. Total number of workers 519. So total expenditure on salary of workers per month, that gives rupees 1895 into 519, and its product is 99,83,505. Another example 2. A packet contains 1215 nails. How many nails are there in 2715 packets? Number of nails in one packet 1215. Number of nails one packet is given, and it is asked to find out the number of nails in 2715 packets. Number of nails in one packet is given, and number of nails in many packets is to be found out. So in case of one is given and many is to be found out, we have to follow the operation of multiplication. So total number of nails 1215 into 2715. The product of 1215 and 2715 gives 32,98,725. Now discuss about division. In division we use the following terms: dividend, the number to be divided is called dividend. Divisor, the number by which we divide the dividend is called divisor. Quotient, the number that we get after the division is called quotient. Remainder, the number which is left undivided is called remainder. So see an example. Let us divide 85 by 7. So 7 1 the 7 12 the 84, and the remainder is 0. 85 is the dividend, 7 is the divisor, 12 is the quotient, 1 is the remainder. When 85 is divided by 7, it gives 12 as quotient and 1 as remainder. Look at this example carefully. 85 is the dividend, 12 is the quotient, 7 is the divisor, and 1 is the remainder. Properties of division. The following relationship holds good in a division. This relationship is called division algorithm. Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. This is a very important formula, remember it. When a number except 0 is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. Suppose 15 divided by itself means 15 divided by 15, it gives 1. 112 divided by itself, that is 112 by 112, it gives 1. So any number divided by itself always gives 1 except 0. When a number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself. For example, 21, when 21 is divided by 1, it gives 21. When 405 is divided by 1, it gives 405. When 0 is divided by any number except 0, the quotient is 0. For example, 0 divided by 11 gives 0. 0 divided by 325 gives 0. A number cannot be divided by 0, that is impossible. When a number is obtained by when a number is divided by 10, the quotient is obtained by writing the dividend without the ones digit. The ones digit is the remainder. For example, 5783 divided by 10 gives 578 as a remainder, and 578 as quotient and 3 as remainder. When 2,87,391 is divided by 10, it gives 28,739 as quotient and 1 as remainder. When a number is divided by 100, the quotient is obtained by writing the dividend without the tens and ones plus digit. Here 1 plus digit is removed. Here you see 28,735 divided by 100 gives quotient. We remove the 1 and 10 plus digit, that is 3 and 5. When 3 and 5 is removed, it is 287 and remainder is 35. 1,98,003 divided by 100, it gives the quotient. First remove the unit and 10 plus digit, then the rest, then the rest digits which form the number is 1,980 and remainder is 3. When a number is divided by 1000, the quotient is obtained by writing the dividend without 110 and 1 digit. The remainder is the number formed by the drop digits. For example, 8,30,496 divided by 1000. First remove the unit 10 and 100 plus digit, and the rest part forms the number 830 and remainder is 496. Division of larger number. Division of larger numbers. The method of dividing larger numbers by 2 or 3 digit number is similar to the one already learnt. 4,63,806 by 42. First we start division from the left side. 42, and here the first this two digit number is 46. So 46 is greater than 42, so 42 ones are 42, 6 minus 2 4. Now bring down the next digit, that is 3. Again 42 ones are 42, 43 minus 42, that is 1. Now bring down 8 and it becomes 18. 18 is very smaller than 42, so we cannot divide 18 by 42. So 42 0 is 0, that is 18 into 0, 180. Then the next 0 comes down and it becomes 180. Now 42 4 is 168. So 180 minus 168, that is 12. Now bring down the rest digit, that is 6. So 120. Now the number becomes 126. So 42 into 3 gives 126. So 126 minus 126 is 0. So the remainder is 0. When thus 4,63,806 divided by 42 gives 11,043 as quotient and 0 as remainder. Now word problems based on division. The cost of 62 computer is 14,06,346. Find the cost of one computer. The value of many is given and it is asked to find out the value of 1. In this case we follow the operation of division. Cost of 62 computers 14,06,346. Cost of one computer is equal to 14,06,346 divided by 62. This is the division you see, and here the quotient is 22,683. Hence the cost of one computer is rupees 22,683. This is all about division and multiplication. Thank you. In next video we discuss about simplification and estimation. Thank you very much.